Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. It's been a while since we talked about anything crypto, but I got a question today about taking profit and stop losses. I want to show you how to do that on the Uphold exchange. A take profit order is something that is set to automatically sell when your initial investment hits a certain number. Let's say, for example, we put in $10 on a particular cryptocurrency and we set the take profit order to 10% of that initial investment. Once that initial investment raises up 10%, which in this case would be a dollar, we go ahead and sell the increase. That increase would probably end up being like from $10 to $11 is a 10% increase. We sell that dollar. The position closes. Our initial investment is still at 10, and we just made a dollar in profit, where you will put it into a different cryptocurrency or you have a destination in Uphold of where you're putting that extra dollar that you just made. Now, in a trailing stop order, what you're doing is setting the floor to what you're going to lose. Let's say, for our example of $10 again, that we set a 10% trailing stop order, meaning that if that $10 drops below 10%, in this case $9, we're selling the position and the position closes. However, the benefit of doing a trailing stop order is what happens if the position doesn't drop 10% and instead it grows 10%. Well, so does the adjustment for that trailing stop order. Let's say that $10 goes up to $15 or $20. Your trailing stop order only kicks in if you start to lose off of that increase. So if that increase went up to $20, 10% of $20 is $2. And if you lose $2 off of 20, you're at 18. And that's your profit. And that's how you make money off of a trailing stop order. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll go ahead and give you more short to the point content like this. Talk to you very soon.